This review is for the CenterPoint 430X Wrath crossbow. Recently just got mine not too long ago. I'm just going to run over some of the attachments and what I love about it. So first of all, we'll start with the scope. It's a 4-power 32mm scope. Comes with a nice cover on both sides. You can adjust it. It's just like any other scope. It's actually illuminated, so there's a battery on this side. There's 5 powers. So there's 4 bubbles. I think the first top bubble is a 20-yard marker, but if I recall correctly. And those light up if you turn this dial. Another nice feature. Has a safety. It's on fire right now. And all you gotta do is push this up and then push it over when it's unsafe. I also have the sound crank on it for show right now. I'll just do a little bit. It just takes a little bit of work, and you can see it's coming back. And that locks in place, so you gotta unlock it, put some tension on it, and unlock it. It also comes with a quiver and CenterPoint 400 grain arrows. These have field tips on it. The way I have it right now is the way it comes out of box. Has Picatinny rail. Whatever distance you have the scope away from your eyes, whatever eye relief is. So for me, this is what's comfortable. You can move it forward, move it back, whatever. It shoots up to 430 feet per second, which is fantastic. It has a ton of power. And shoot out that longer range is 50, 60 yards, no problem. I also like that the trigger is pretty sensitive, so you get pretty good trigger. This bow also comes with wax, so you can wax the string, prevent it from any water damage or deterioration. Also comes with a rope cocker. It also comes with silent crank. The rope cocker works it's fine as well. A silent crank, it's super easy to use. It's pretty high quality, and I highly recommend that. So overall, it's a pretty nice contraption. It's pretty affordable, and I really enjoy shooting it. Excited to get out there and bow hunt with it.